If you got a towing eye, I can drag you up the top if you want.
Could you do? I haven't got a towing line, I don't think.
I've got a tow rope. It's just the towing eye.
Right.
That goes in the front.
I didn't think of a stupid thing, really, didn't I? Where's the towing eye on it?
Just to your left.
Just underneath that there.
You can tell it's not my car, can't you? Yeah, there is a towing eye.
Worst of it is you've killed somebody else's car.
Yeah.
Whose is it?
Well, that's my other arse.
Oh, you're going to be in there.
Yeah. Said
Yeah.
Don't damage it. Never trust a blonde. I asked a blonde.
Never trust
Should
a
I go?
fluffy dog.
She's hiding now.
Yeah.
Yeah, she ran. Run with the floppy dog.
Did not fire up at all then?
No, it's not firing up at all. But I think if it just dries out, it'll be all right, don't you? Do you want the key?
Yes, please.
Have you told her yet?
No.
Ah.
I don't know why I'm worried about this paint coming off there. Yeah. I really don't know why I'm worried about this paint coming off there.
That is definitely hydraulic locked. I can tell that.
Right, is that...
That means we'll be towing it away.
BMW going in. Will you come out? A bit hesitant there. But he did come out. But he didn't get very far. Do you want to give him the air filter chat? Definitely not very well. Here comes a BMW. Getting a bit hot for a BM. She doesn't look happy. The car's going.
What do I do now?
Put the handbrake on, wander out and give recovery a call. Don't try and start it.
nice and warm here.
Oh, it's floating. It's floating. Why would you go through? No, you say bye-bye to your car.
Bye, car. It was nice knowing you. We wanted to part ways last year anyway.
Contact the Fiat, there's nothing going to hurt you.